Hey guys, just a quick navigation overview of our Canvas pages. So I'm going to use this video, for example, for all three of my classes. They all look very similar, but we're going to use Math 3 to start. So when you log into your Canvas page and you click here, you're going to click on our class and it'll take you to our home page. It'll look like this. Now I'm going to click on Student View here so it looks like exactly like what you would see. So when you drop in here, you've just got our image on our front home page of the three teachers that are teaching Math 3 and how to contact anyone. And right below it, the important information for our Monday through Thursday Google Meet times. To join that Google Meet, all you will need to do is click this link. It'll ask you for a code. That's our code right here highlighted in green. Punch that in. Monday through Thursday for Math 3, that's at 1:10. And we meet for the first 30 minutes of class every Monday through Thursday. As we scroll down here, the important stuff here on our home page are all the links to our weekly work. You've got a link to your syllabus here on the left. This is how to sign up for our text message remind service. Just click here and it'll sign you up. But let's jump into the work. So when you click one of these buttons, it'll take you to the individualized work for that week. The first page that it'll take you to is an overview page. Tells you a little bit about what we're going to be doing this week. So this is the very first week of school here. So we did contact information, syllabus, and setting up a lot of our accounts. But this table down here on the bottom will take you directly to each day's page that will show you the notes and the videos go with anything you would need to turn in. So I'm going to click on Tuesday, 1/5 right here. I'm going to click on this blue and it'll take me straight to Tuesday's page. And what you'll want to do here, first thing you want to do every day is you want to click this button for the attendance question and let me know you're here. This same button will be at the top of every day's page. It'll be the first thing up here on the top. And then as you scroll down through this page, what you'll see are different instructions, notes, and videos that pertain to whatever we're covering this day. Now, as we go down, the first part was a mindset video and I collected information. This was our first day of school. And then we did our About Me posters. I gave you some instructions and some links to our videos right here to watch. But as you go all the way down to the page, you'll get lots of instructional information. And then there'll be an assignment usually towards the bottom. And then at the very bottom of the page, you'll find where to turn this in on Canvas. There'll be a spot for you to submit whatever we did that day that you need to submit. So today, on this day, Tuesday, 1/5, we completed this About Me poster. This was mine. And all you had to do was click here and upload your poster. Every day's page is set up pretty much the same way. So if we let's jump to Friday. You see the attendance button at the top, and we've got our objectives for the day. We're going to learn to use the Desmos calculator. And we've got instructions for the assignment, a video about splitting your screen. And here it is once you've finished it to upload it. Only difference about the page that you'll see on Friday is we're going to include a table here that will show you everything we covered in the week, including attendance, and give you links to get to where to turn those things in. This would be a great thing to do on Friday before you log out for the weekend, because when you click on these buttons, you should be able to see that you've turned them in and that you have grades for them before you move on to the weekend. Then we move into the next week. So that's the basic setup of our class. The only tabs we have up here we have announcements, and I also have announcements at the very top of the home page. You do want to make sure you log in every day and check those. See what we've shared that's new. You can stay away from the modules, but the modules will give you a look at the overview for the week and the individual pages. It's a little bit harder to navigate that way, but it is there if you need it. The link to the syllabus, and then this is where you'll check your grades. You're going to click on grades right here, and it'll bring up your grade screen. Now I already have mine organized, but I always do by assignment group and apply, because the things that have points attached to them, which you'll look over here on this out of, these are the things that count towards your grades. Our attendance questions don't count towards your grade, but it is a way of you letting me know that you're there each day, okay? So you can always click on assignment group. You can look at the top. It'll tell you our assignments and what you got out of them, and it'll give you a look at your overall grade. Each class that I teach is set up very much the same way. So if we jump here to pre-calculus, the only difference here, different picture at the top, we have a different link, and we meet at a different time. But we still have the same navigation setup. We still have the buttons on the home screen. You'll notice none of these next week's buttons are active yet. That's why the little finger doesn't appear, a little hand with the finger pointing. Those won't be turned on until we get to that week for that stuff to become due. Same listing over here, and calc also the same way. We have a different code, different login time, but it's the same basic overall navigation.